In this video, I'm going to show you how to see someone's liked videos on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, once you are on TikTok, tap on your profile icon right there to go to your profile, and next tap on followers. So now I can open up some person's TikTok account and see this heart sign right there on the profile page. If I tap on that sign, I can see all the videos that this specific person liked on TikTok. I can do that because that person allowed everyone to see videos she liked. And if I open up another person page like that, here I got this sign of heart with some line signed on it, so this user like videos are private because that person doesn't allow everyone to see videos he liked. I hope this video helped you out, so before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe.